Let me take this out on today's show. Today I'm going to start my puzzle board for my daughter for her birthday. So don't tell her, if you watch this video before her birthday and you see her, don't tell her I'm making her a puzzle board. Let's have a look. My knife. A little on each side. Okay, you see that I cut that, marked out with my knife. It didn't mark up splinter as much. There they are, perfect. How do you like that? That's pretty good. Okay, we're going to cut them into the right length now. To it. All we have to do is dado the bottom here and dado down here. Right, I'm going to dado all these down the middle and then the bottom for the bottom piece. Remember the top, make sure the top is always right. Now we're doing the bottom. So make sure you put a board in here so your blade isn't right against the fence. And if this moves a little bit, so what? We're just going to do the bottom so then that piece fits right in here. Make sure again you're doing the right side. This is what's left of our 1x4. We're going to split it in half. This will be 3/4 by 3/4 for the legs and any supports we need. So if you watched my channel before, you see I have this the wash stand. It's out of my other shop. So let's cut these bad boys. Yeah, I forgot to turn the camera back on. We got her. Bada boom. All right, let's do these other ones. Okay, here, all put together. I trimmed up the sheets. You don't need to see that. So now I'm going to make a drawer. So that's ready to go. It's just upside down right now. This will be the drawer. Okay, we're going to dado these. I'll just do a couple. You don't see me do them all. Okay, see I screwed these in here. These will be the drawers. I'll slide out like this. Well, there it is. Let's take it apart. Glue it. Stay right there. Okay, we're gonna give it a little sand. It's pretty good. It just needs a little bit. Alright, that's all I need to see. I'll sand it a little more later. Okay, drilled that, pre-drilled that. And we'll go a little tighter. Okay, I'm going to install these little wheels. Okay, we're making some edges for the drawers. I've done all these already. Let's do this. Okay, trimmed them up so they have different sections in here. Oh, make sure it slides in there before you glue it. That's gonna be pretty nice. Okay, I just measured the center of each board and the center of this middle one, and then that makes the center. So let's get some glue going down here. Okay, it's been an hour. There, let's sand that up a little bit. Ah, pretty nice. I'll do. Okay, you saw that I'm done. Drawers are on. Now I'm going to drill some magnets here in the main body so that the drawers stay in. A little more. There we go. Okay, we have them grooved out. Just gonna glue them in. Hot glue gun thing didn't work. Okay, the magnet's in. There. There, let's put the other one in. The magnet's here. Easy, come on. So you want to do it here. I've got a square here. Now the legs are 90 degrees. And they're a little bit more stable. We're going to do the rest. Alright, we're done the puzzle board now. You can see it's fire going. It's about -17 outside. It's snowing. So I'll fire. Alright, let's look at our puzzle board right here. I put pins in here to hold these legs in place. Just double-headed nails. And you just go down like this. With the magnet to hold it. Just put a piece in there. If you like today's video, subscribe to my channel. Remember to leave a comment that'll help others. Hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Later.